Hello and greetings to everyone who is watching this video. My name is Dellon Nelson and my metric number is 69486 and I'm from group 13. We will present about our project, which is TMFlix beta. For my presentation, I will talk about the presentation as a user. So here we have the login.php, which is looks like this, and we have this logo right here, TMFlix beta. Here we have the username, password, login, register, and admin whatnot. Before we go further, we must register first, so we click it right here. And for this presentation, I will use a random name such as Brandon, and my username is Brandon with a small letter B. My phone number will be random numbers like this, and my email brandon@gmail.com. Batu 10. Alright, and we have password. So for this password, we have set the condition, which is at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one digit. So we have here my name, which is B in uppercase, my Brandon 1 2 3, and then we repeat the same thing for the confirm password and we register. So it has been registered here, which will go to this member part, and here we have the next one here, Brandon right here. As you can see, it has been updated to the database. So we have here all the plans which is plan p.php. So if you want to select any of it, we just select this button right here. We have free trial, basic, and premium. For free trial, we have 1 month free trial. For basic, we have one device that can be used, which has the price of 17 ringgit per month, and for premium can be used by 4 devices, and the price is 39 ringgit per month. So let's say we take the basic, it will say here successfully added, and if you want to continue, we just press the continue button, which will go to the login page. And we have here, I'm just gonna log myself in. So we have this main menu, we have this login button which can hover, and we have this search button. Login is for the it will redirect us to the login just now I just show. Home is literally this part. The subscription plan is for the plan we have seen just now, and logout will log us out. So let's say we want to pick a TV series. So we have here Breaking Bad, Friends, Peaky Blinders, Stranger Things, and Vincenzo. For more, we have this button that will direct us to the description of the series. We have here Breaking Bad, episode, season, release, description, and whatnot. So we go back. If we press play in this TV series, it will add one view into the database. So let's say we have Stranger Things right here. Let me just check. Here we have views, which is Stranger Things is right here, one view. So if we press play right here, it will update, it will become 2. Let me show you how. So we press play, and let me refresh this, and Stranger Things right here, it became 2. So every time we press play, it will add one view to the database. If we want more TV series other than this, we just press see more. As we can see here, there's a plenty of TV series, and we have added one interesting part, which is in Dr. Romantic. If you press play right here, it will redirect us to this YouTube. Yes. It's for the interesting part. If you want to go back home, we just press this back to home, and if we want to log out, we just press log out when we go here.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Haziq. Dzakiryin bin Yusri. So for my part, I will explain to you guys about the admin part. So this is the user login, where there is a link to admin login. So I just click this button. So it will link to the admin part. So I will key in the username and password for the login, for the admin login. Yeah. So just click here and it will go to this part. So this is where we enter data to modify and delete, but there is another page for the admin to insert the series. So for example, I just gonna try the insert first. So let's say we want to input a new title of series. So for example, home alone. So there is 60, for example, 2 season release year 2010. There is home alone kit. So it is acquisition 3, rating is 4, and for the genre cast ID and creator ID, the admin should refer to this table. So this is it. For example, I just put it is sitcom 304. This is for the cast name. This is for the creator. Okay. So submit. Okay, new record is inserted. So we can check on this table. So this is the latest update from the insert. So if we want to edit it, for example, I want to edit the Home Alone title. So I just put the series ID. I don't want to change the name, but I want to change the episode. So for example, only 30 and only 1 season, but this is the latest. The latest Home Alone will be the best. So same, but there is I want to change the all of it. Okay, so yeah, it has been changed, has been modified. So I want to delete it. Just enter the series ID and yeah, it will be deleted. Yeah, there is no Home Alone again. And to end the session for the admin page, admin part, we just click the logout button, and yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jeoclyn, metric number 72863. So I will be present about our report that can be generated from the admin section. So here is the admin section, and admin can click on this hover button and it will be directly to the report. So this is the look of our report. This is the top 5 TV series, top 5 actor, and top 5 TV genre. So all of these top 5 have their own view. Every time the user click on the play button, the view will be counted into this report. So this is how it looks like. At the bottom of the report, there is an average view which count all the average from these 3 top 5 and the total view for these 3 top 5 also. So this report also can be downloaded by click on this button here. So this is the downloaded report. And then the admin also can click on the back button to back to the admin section and he can log out. Next, I will present about our ERD. So on the left side is our latest ERD, and on the right side, was our previous ERD. So the first changes that we have made in this ERD is that we have added new entity into our ERD, which is admin entity, because admin will control all the series modification in our system. So the next changes is in this member entity, we have added a few attributes, which are subscription price, member username, and member password. For the subscription price, we have added this attribute into the member entity because we have eliminated the subscription and series subscription entities in our previous ERD, because we found out that this data can be stored in the member entity. Member username and member password function is to store the user login data. Other changes that we have made in our ERD are we have eliminated the age restriction, rating, and description entities because this data can be stored in the series entity. In the series entity, as you can see here, we have added the description, age restriction, and rating attribute. In series entity, we have also added the genre ID, cast ID, and creators ID. And this will be the foreign key to make the relation between the series entity with the other 3 entities. In series entity, we also added the view attribute to store the view value for each of the series. Last but not least, we have changed all our primary key from series title to all the ID in each of these entities. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.